Come forward, participate.
With your medals.
Nilipit niya.
If you don't mind. Okay.
Oh, nandahan.
And certificates. Okay. Thank you for being cooperative to our students. Very good.
Sorry, I'm late.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm late.
So,
So that's what we call achievement. Achievement to you. Certificates are my certificates when I was in fourth year high school.
Only?
Now, and these medals were in my high school life. And this was in my fourth year. And these certificates was my pangkat.
thank you.
Aubrey, you're the scientist of the year, editor of the year, writer of the year, best in math, best in English. Oh my gosh. Oh, patent. Nice. The best in science, leadership award, best in science, best in English, editor of the year, writer of the year.
All of the year.
Palikulan of the year for 4 years. Guys, again, 4 years. 4 years for Aling Palikulan. And that medal was only our house. Because there's no space in your house, promise. There were
Promise.
many stay in our house and everywhere in our house and everywhere you go, there's many certificates. And guys, I would like to tell you that this certificates and recognition was for my father. And I tell you that this recognition was not intelligent only because I believe that this intelligence was not inside the room, that it was outside. That certificates I earned that outside my extracurricular. I'm not very intelligent like Bennett in math, but I know to myself that I can cope up with daily activities. I'm well-rounded in social, mental, and everything, emotional, even spiritual. Intelligence is not that very essential.
Oh,
Your,
isa.
your personality and attitude towards others is very
Yeah.